First of all, thank you for purchasing Social Post Wizard GPT. This is my custom GPT designed specifically to help business owners create better social media content faster and with less effort. I built this tool on ChatGPT so I could keep the costs down for you. You'll access this amazing assistant on your own ChatGPT account. One important thing that I want you to be aware of right away is that when you're using Social Post Wizard GPT, you have the option to use it with either the free version of ChatGPT or a paid version. Both work, but they do work just a little bit differently. The reason for that comes down to how AI actually operates behind the scenes. Every time ChatGPT or any AI like Gemini or Claude creates a post, does research, rewrites content, or follows multi-step instructions, there are real computing costs involved. Each action uses server power, processing time, and system resources. With the free version of ChatGPT, those resources are limited. That means fewer research-heavy actions, simpler responses, and lower usage limits. Social Post Wizard GPT will still work, but you may notice limits on how much research or refinement it can do in a single session. As of this recording, I've heard that OpenAI is looking at running ads on the free version of ChatGPT as well. With a paid version of ChatGPT, you unlock more powerful models, higher limits, faster responses, and the ability to run more in-depth research and multi-step workflows. That's especially helpful if you're creating content consistently or want more detailed, polished social accounts. The key thing to know is this: you're always in control. I suggest you start with a free version, see how it fits your needs, and upgrade only if and when it makes sense for your business. But think about this. What would a live assistant cost you? What would a social media manager normally charge? Anywhere between $500 to $3,000 a month. Now, I received no compensation from OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, so I have no vested interest in your choice. But if you'd like to explore the paid options and see what's included, you can find the full details at chat.openai.com/pricing. I want to thank you for using Social Post Wizard GPT. And if you're interested in our done-for-you social post offers, you can learn how we can build your post for you with custom content and images at socialpostwizard.com.